I really want to see this battle, even though I know the M3 is gonna win. But who knows? You never know. The Civic. I mean, you know, y'all be surprising me. So let's get into it. Thank you, AUTOGLORY, fair use. One of the best car channels easily on YouTube. Let's enjoy.
Guys, welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So, I got a pretty exciting matchup coming up for you guys tonight. So let me introduce you guys to a brand new car on the channel. This is a 2022 BMW M3 competition. Now this car is an X-Drive model, so that means this is an all-wheel drive car. Now the only thing that's done to this car, it just has downpipes and no tune. Now this thing does have like a dummy cat inside of it, which will prevent from check engine light, so it should run pretty good. Now these cars weigh around 3,900 pounds, and they make, you know, upper 400s to the wheels. I don't know how much downpipes without a tune will do, but I'm sure it'll help a little bit. And so you're running up against a 2019.
Hey, these are so hard. This year is, I mean, to me this is my favorite year. Like, cause even the sport Accords were actually good this year.
Honda Civic Type R. Now, last time you guys saw this car on the channel, it raced a stock BMW M3 F80
and smoked them.
So now the G80 wants a turn at the Honda. So just a little recap what's done to this car. This car has a PRL P600 drop-in turbo, upgraded intake, full turbo back exhaust, intercooler with injectors and fuel pump on E85. And the owner said this car made 480 to the width.
Not E40, not E85.
Wheels on a Mustang dyno. Now these cars are front-wheel drive, and he's got some pretty lightweight wheels. And you see what tire he's running on Toyo R AAA tires. Now these cars are light; they weigh around 3,100 pounds, and they only come in manual transmissions. So both cars are taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. It looked like the G80 fell flat on its face.
Yep, so let's go to the next one. Alright.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3!
Hey. Oh. Ooh. Damn. Honda for the L.
Wow, what happened on this one?
Shit. Hey. I called it, but shit. This is what I expected when I seen him blow past that stock F80. I was like, yeah, he probably got to go against a G80 and see what's up. The G80 it's not, stock for stock is not faster than the F80, but it might be, in my opinion. I think the automatic, yes. I think so, yeah. The automatic G80 is faster than the automatic F80, yes. I believe so. Third run.
Alright guys, on to round 3. We're going to do the 40 one more time. Yeah. Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3!
life today. This G80 is just something else.
First race, messed up on the shifts.
Wow. Like, this proves a lot. It proves that the G80 is just it's a whole different game, ball game. Because it's automatic. I would have liked to see. I don't think that was a base G80. Like, I don't think that was the base. That he said X-Drive, so no, that wasn't. I would like to see a manual. Damn, I wish we could have just seen the manual G80 go against the manual Type R. That would have probably been cool. Because obviously the automatic transmission does not compare with the manual transmission. Especially for a Honda and BMW, no. Honda for the L. Thank you for watching.